Yeah, hello everyone, I'm Clinton and welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to copy text out of images. Copy text from images. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be going through three methods that you can be able to accomplish this. The first one is for you copying the text from images using your iPhone, and the second one is going to be making use of a Google Chrome extension, and then the third method is going to be about how to use your Google Lens right from your Google Chrome. All right, so without wasting much time, let's just go the first step.
Okay guys, so once you're in your iPhone, this is going to be for the iPhone. Let's assume this is the you're on a website and you found some images that you really like, and you're trying to get a text out of it. So what you have to do is to just screenshot. Let's just assume this is the photo that has the image that you really want. You're just going to screenshot, and once you screenshot that, you can be able to like click on the screenshot and it's going to show you a lot of other options that you can use, and you can actually zoom using your two fingers on the image. So let's assume we want to get that text that says living room, inspiration, decor, ideas, and inspire, upgrade your living room. Just going to go ahead and click on this text icon here just below. Sometimes it might be on this kind of thing, so you might see it on the pen and the brush tool. All you have to do is to go look at the top here where you can see the pen icon. You're just going to click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to go back to the copy and crop and scale. So from here you can just virtually hold on the text, and as you can see, I'm copying the text just like that, and it's going to show you option to select all, copy, translate, and search the web. Like, this is just crazy. So all you can do is just copy it, and once you copy it, you can go ahead and use your two fingers to zoom back to the default size and zoom in to another portion of this. Okay, this wasn't really clear, so it's not going to be so bright. It's not going to be visible or readable if you zoom it. So guys, that's just how to go about this, and you can just delete this screenshot immediately, and you can just come over to your note. You can just come over to your notepad. I'm just going to go and click here on Queen But, so I can get that interface where I can copy and paste some text, so you guys can have a look. All right, now we're on the, let's just assume this is where I want to paste those texts. I'm just going to click here, and I'm just going to click on paste, and as you can see, those keywords that I copied from the image is just there.
Alright guys, so that's all about the first step, using your iPhone. So we're going to go over to the next step here, which is using Google Chrome extension. So I'm going to show you guys how to go about that. First of all, you go into your browser, and then you're going to search for the web store, Chrome web store. So from the Chrome web store, you're going to search for OCR, and you hit your enter. You can go ahead and search for OCR image to text. So you can come and all the way to this point, and where you see the image to text. So all you have to do is to click on it, and then you have to add it to Chrome. So once you are in the Chrome, once you add it to the Chrome, it's gonna go into this section here. So you can open it and you can pin it, so you can use it whenever you want. All right, so that's everything about that. So how can we go about this? No, the OCR image to text is not going to work on this web page, like on this current web page, because I don't know if it's because it's their page or whatsoever, but I tried using it, it didn't work. So I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to search for something. I'm going to search for wise quotes. Okay, let's go for that, wise quotes. So from here I'm going to go into the image. Like, if you're kind of okay, this is a very good way to get some text on an image. So all you have to do is to click on the particular image that you want to use, and once you hear, now this image here has completely loaded. As you can see, we can see the whole pixels. I'm just going to show you another option. Okay, this other one. Okay, it's loading, and it's not really clear. Okay, now it's just finally loaded and we can see the full pixels. So from here, now how we're going to go about this is just to click on this and automatically you will see this interface. So you have to do is just to adjust it to over the text that you want to copy, and you can adjust it from the edge. And once you've gotten the exact dimension that you want to make use of, you're just going to go ahead and click this plus sign that's showing here. It's going to open this website, because from here it showed us that they are the owner of that. You can see this image text.xyz. They are the official owners of this Google extension. So they're going to take us to this page and automatically it's loading. It showed you the premium, so just cancel this. So from here now you can see the OCR result. So from here, it's just exactly what was on this image. You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. Yeah, that's a very good one. So all you can do is just to copy what you saw there, and you can go onto your notepad and just paste it, and it's just gonna be there. All right, so guys, that's how to go about this one. So the next one I'm gonna be showing you guys is how to make use of your Google Lens. So for this one, it's gonna be okay, let's use another image here. So let's use this one. For instance, you want to use the Google Lens. So how to go about this is just it's very easy. I prefer this to every other method because it's just easy. It's just right there. Just hold on the image, and while you're holding the image, like you click or you left click on the image and you drag. Once you drag in any direction, you're going to see this stuff that's going to pop up. It's going to say search any image with your Google Lens. Then once you drag, you're going to drag the image on into here and you drop it. So once you drop it, it's going to load and it's going to take you onto this point. Okay, now it's going to show you sometimes it's going to be, this thing is going to be the full image, but now I met it at this point. It's okay, you can just drag it over the text you want. You can adjust it however you want, and all you can do here is just to go ahead and click on text, and you can just easily copy the text out of the image just like this. As you can see, just like that. And once you lift your hand up your finger off the left mouse button, you can just see automatically it's going to show you copy. You can just go ahead and click on copy and go to your pad and paste it. You can see that very easy. Okay, you can also do other things with Google Lens. You can translate this whole thing here to any language you prefer, German, and it's just gonna translate the exact thing to the preferred language. Like, this is very good. Like, I love this. Okay, so you can also search. Like, you can also search for an image, like from here. Like, this is an eagle. Like, you can also like search it on the web and it's going to show you a bunch of images that are related to this same image here. Like, as you can see, there are lots of images here. All right, guys, that's everything about copying text from images. If you find this video really good, you can just give this video a give it a like, and you can also drop a comment in the comment section. I really do appreciate that. And you can just consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah, you should actually consider subscribing. Okay, guys, this is gonna be everything for now, and see you guys on the next one. Have a good day.